So, 1-inch tube that I have just barely makes it into these plates. These are cut to 1 inch exactly. They're a little tight on the 1 inch side, so I'm just trying to knock them open just a hair so the pipe, or rod, pipe, whatever you want to call it, sticks in far enough so we can so we can get the pipe to sit in there, so I can get it all tacked up, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Just open these up. These step bits are great for that. It's just enough to get it. Again, these are from Sen Cut Sen. I had them cut them to 1 inch. I knew that there may be some opening that needed to be done, but yeah, it looks like we're good to go here. Let's see, double check that. Yeah, see, I wanted this to just slip out right to the end. So really what we have working here is welded in these plates. Last episode, these are going to sit like this. The bar will run straight across, and then I'm going to cut the bar just a little long so I can slide these plates on and get it sitting in here. I'll get it bolted in, get the plates angled, so they're matching, and then we'll go ahead and tack it up, and then we'll go ahead and weld them in. More on that in a little bit. All right, so as I showed you guys before, basically get the plates bolted in, get the bar tacked in now, and then we'll pull it out and weld it. Apologize, it's hot, so this video is probably going to be in like 3 or 4 different segments. It's like 80 plus degrees here, ridiculously humid, and I'm dying here in the shop. All right, go ahead, get everything welded up, packed in, and then from there I'll pull it off, and I'll go ahead and start getting it welded here on the bench. Quite like a tiger. So, turn the amperage way up. Just because this stuff is really thick, both sides. And start getting this together. I think the next thing I'm going to do is get a cordless pedal. So we'll let that cool. Really nicely in there. Cool. Sure, part of that you won't be able to hear, but basically what we did was bolted the plates up. I cut a piece of this 1-inch stock or round bar to fit in here. I just tacked it up. I'm going to let it cool. Once it cools, I'll go ahead and pull it. We'll pull it off. We'll get it on the bench. We'll get it in a vise. I'll clean this up again real quick, and then we'll start welding it around the edges here. Really didn't get too hot there, but I'm sure at the ends. And all we did was just tack it so that way the plates don't move. I think we're pretty good there. A lot of heat, but should be all right. It's going to look pretty sweet, I think. Again, really just pushing myself outside of my comfort zone to build things that I normally wouldn't do. For me, it's one of those things that I guess you don't know until you try type deal. In this case, this car cost me, nothing, a couple $100, but it'll give me room to really just grow as a welder, a fabricator, a craftsman, I guess you would.
All right, got this in the vise here, and we'll go ahead and start welding.
All right, well, it's in. Not sure if I'll paint it or not. I mean, kind of looks cool. There you go. Cross members installed. Not terrible, but yeah, first of many projects.